What's up, guys? It's day 2 of our North Dakota Turkey hunt. It is our afternoon sit. We're here in the blind. Earlier, we got a few pictures of turkeys and a few nice big toms. So we decided to come out and give her a try. It's Sunday at about 4 p.m. and the turkeys will be roosting in about 4 hours-ish. So, and they'll come here when they want to roost, because they roost like right over there. So yeah, we're just here to try to catch them, and yeah, we'll try to record it for you guys. Yeah, we got the shotgun all loaded up and ready. The old 20 gauge. We got about, turkeys will be coming in at about 5 to 10 yards, pretty close. I'll be going for a tom or a jake, either one. So yeah, stay tuned, and we will try to get a turkey on the ground. And also, if you don't see us calling that much, that's because in our spot where we're hunting, we don't really need to call. We just wait, because I come here every day. So yeah, stay tuned.
Okay, I'm ready for the other shot.
I got it. Let's go. I got it. I got a nice chick. Let's go. Second day of the season. Oh my goodness. Let's go. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. We hunted all day yesterday. We had a few nice toms coming in, but people were driving on the road and they scared them away. And then we didn't have a chance then. And then we were just watching turkey hunting videos on our phones. And I'm just like, Dad, here comes a turkey. And I didn't see its beard at first because I thought it was a hen. And then he's like, no, it's a jake, grab your gun. And they're standing right over there where I couldn't get a shot. And then it's like just peeked right over there, just the slightest bit. And I was able to sneak in a shot. It's laying right over there dead. Oh my goodness. That is so exciting. Can't wait. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Today I got my North Dakota bird on the second day of the season, and with my shotgun, and it was about 10 yards away, and I shot it perfect headshot, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Follow us on Instagram follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe and leave a comment or a like if possible on our YouTube channel to stay tuned for more awesome turkey hunts and other hunts like this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.